space scientists have always reiterated on the existence of human life on other planets, but due to the lack of proof, scientists have failed to establish their claims. In a latest development, American Space Agency NASA has claimed that it has discovered 10 rocky Earth-sized planets in our Milky Way Galaxy. NASA's study said that these planets could potentially have water and existence of life could be possible. The agency released a survey of 219 potential planets outside our solar system. The planets had been detected by NASA's Kepler space telescope, which was launched in 2009. This development undoubtedly is a huge breakthrough in the hunt for Earth-like life on other planets. News Desk.